If you're a habit builder, then you need to hear this. Imagine your life as a sculpture in progress. Every habit is a stroke with the chisel. Think of habits like individual strokes of a sculptor's chisel. Each small action you take, whether it's waking up early, exercising, or reading, is a deliberate cut shaping the rough block of your life. At first, it might not look like much, a small chip here, a little dent there, but with every consistent stroke, something begins to emerge from that block. Over time, those seemingly insignificant actions reveal a statue, a reflection of who you are becoming. But here's the catch. Not all strokes are intentional. Every time you skip a workout, procrastinate, or give in to unhealthy cravings, it's like a careless strike marring the beauty of the sculpture. You might not notice the impact of a single strike, but over time, they accumulate, distorting the figure you're trying to carve. Consider Michelangelo, who famously said he saw the angel in the marble and carved until he set it free. Imagine your habits as the tool to release your inner angel, the ideal version of yourself, from the marble block that is your life. What masterpiece could you create if every stroke, every habit, was deliberate and purposeful? Your daily habits are the chisels in your hand. They may be small and seem insignificant on their own, but they hold the power to shape or disfigure your life. Every action you take is either refining your masterpiece or adding an unwanted flaw. What are you chiseling today? Are you bringing out the best version of yourself, or are you letting careless strokes mar your potential? Every moment is an opportunity to shape the statue of your life. Be intentional with your habits, because you are the sculptor of your destiny. Today, choose one habit that will refine your masterpiece. Even the smallest, most consistent actions can reveal the incredible potential hidden within you. Start carving with purpose and watch the ideal you emerge. Your life is your greatest work of art. Make every stroke count.